So today, this morning, we got a diamond painting in the mail.
Welcome to the channel, by the way. So we're gonna unbox this puppy.
There's another box.
Of course, yeah. There always has to be another box.
Join us.
Yep.
Alright, so
Here, you probably need to cut it.
I will use these scissors. These are hair scissors.
No, they're not.
No.
No. The kit comes from AliExpress, from the Homefun Store.
So you got your basic toolkit with pink this time.
Yep, pink pen.
And then we got foam tube.
There we go.
We got
Oh, it's this one. Yay!
all the colors.
There's a lot of colors. I'm just taking this out to show the picture.
Can I see it? Oh, yeah.
It's like street art, Marilyn Monroe piece. It's, how big is it? Well, it's got 38 colors for one, so it's got a lot of color going on. Oh, it's 40 by 60 centimeters, so it's reasonably big.
And then here's the diamond painting.
Thank goodness these diamonds are round, so it'll be a somewhat civilized process. Oh, these are those elastic things. Just don't want to drop them because kitty cats eat them.
I got them.
Okay. See, it's big.
It is big.
It's nice though. It'll look so good. I can see. I can let it go. Let it go. It's alright. So, opaque cover. Round drill, full coverage, torn paper that I just did. Sticky, sticky, but the symbols look clear. Hope you can see that. There you go. But I'm going to just let this relax and unroll on its own so that it doesn't get all rivery, because that would be a crying shame. There. So there you go. Coupled with Bronwyn's partial diamond painting, I think we did pretty good this week.
Yeah, I started diamond painting too.
Yeah. So, having said that, thanks for joining us on today's unboxing. It was really fast. And we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.